I'm Emmanuel. Basically, this is the React project for the basic DAO. And now, as you can see, the first thing we can see is we have our backend.rsg file, the backend, the smart contract file. We actually have a particular type that we're actually calling the address. So it's an object that contains, it's a data type we are calling, so it's the object that contains the address of the person who has actually who funds the account, who the fund will also be sent to the account if the project wins the vote. This that actually allow people to vote on projects, on a particular project, and options taken is just a decision based. So in our own case, we already have some project that we already want to fund, so we can have 2 or 3 people that can vote. So they will vote and say this is the person they want to vote for or the project they want to fund for. We have set addresses. This like a deployer. Deployer will set the addresses that this is the project you want to choose for, you want to fund. So the users will actually be able to send the addresses and the amount they want to vote for, and this will call when the outcome of the vote actually come up. So we also have a voter. The voter can vote in any of the projects that the deployer already sends. So we have deployer, we add 3 voters on this project, voter 1, voter 2, and they are going to vote on 2 projects. So that means we have a total of 4 participants on this project. So so here we deploy our contract. Now let's run it. I'm already running npm start now. So let's run it and see how it works and how it looks, and the basic functionality, how the voters can actually determine and fund a project. So and how we're able to check the vote and transfer the fund to the project. So this is the first page of the app. You can connect now. Let's connect wallet. So it already has my wallet now. So this first page is actually for the deployer. So it takes just 10 character idea. So if I'm a voter, then I can click on it there. I can type a 10 letter word, the name of the project. So okay, let's call this one. So we're actually using a byte of 10 to actually represent this particular project. So the first one can be like Shaz Pro, the second one shall be Shaz Pro. So we copy the address. Let's post the address. Let's just paste the contract, the address to everyone. The amount of fund, you can put the amount of fund there. You can click on more and proceed. So presently this is already on testnet. Then so this basically create the application, the first one, while the second we initialize the applications. So another one, we send one and go to the smart contract. So this is it right here. We send one and go to the contract, so we can continue now. So that's all for the deployer. Now we need to voters 1 will come and voters 2, voters 3. So the voter 1 had to connect the address, then you paste the contract address, then you connect to your wallet. So I'm using, we click on fetch idea and see the project. Okay, yeah, we click on fetch idea and see the project. Okay, yeah, shall spray and shall spray. So yeah, let me vote for shall spray, then I proceed, then connect to my wallet, then I continue. With as soon as we come again and connect as well. I will copy the contract ID, paste it there, then fetch the idea as well. Then let's say Shaz Pro, then I can say continue. Shaz Pro. So voter 3, the same process. So you connect to your wallet, you copy the smart contract ID, then you fetch the idea. Then let's say let him vote for share spray. Now we have two voters that, so because of the last person, so at the end the fund will actually be sent to the, yes, the fund will be sent to the right contract, the winner. So you can, as you can see now, we have share spray, share. So let's just copy the address and verify from Argo Explorer, and let's see. Then we can click on search. As you can see here now, one Argo is load transfer to this. Votes for share play. One voters vote for share play. So the shares play actually win this particular contract, and the fund